All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to take a look at AR here. So from the high back in November of 2021 to the low, you can see this thing did take a good step in the right direction. You are above the 236 at about 786 here. And as long as you hold on to that price level, your next stop would be that 382 at about 1255 here on AR. So if it can hold on to our support box that I'm going to point out here in a minute on the daily chart, your next stop is about a 50 to 60 or 58 to 60% move from that price level here. So just keep an eye on that support level. With that said, we're going to go down to the daily chart here. You can see that from the low to the high, the price came down right below our 236 at 747. This is the reason for our green box. It's from this 236 up to that other 236. And I would say as long as you stay within this box or on top of the box, whatever it's going to be, you are still bullish for a push higher. So you could end up holding this for something like this where we're just going to go sideways and then up, or you can hold it and just go straight up. Of course, those are one of many of options that could happen with AR, but the point I'm trying to get across is as long as you stay above the 747 level here, stay above our green box for support, that's going to keep you above the 21-day EMA and your 236 here from the low to the high. And ultimately, on the grander scale of things, you want to hold on to the top of this box here to have a shot at that purple line here at that 382 for that 60% move here. But here on the shorter time frame, of course, you need to watch the box here. If you can hold the box and continue moving from where you are now, the price to beat is that 931 level here for about a 20% move. Is going to be your first major resistance point to watch. Of course, you could lose the box here and come down to your 382 at about 650 and do a move kind of like this. But if you come back up and you get stuck, then it's probably going to signal that that is your top back there, and you're going to be in store for a deeper retracement like that if you take out that 650 price range here on AR. But as of right now, you're above your moving averages. We have the 50 here in yellow over the 200. You're kind of riding the 21 here. And I would just kind of watch these support boxes. As long as you can hold on to that, I would say you're good to go on AR. You are still bullish right now. So stock RSI is trying to curl back up. The Heikin-Ashi candles here on the daily candles starting to print indecisive. So that could indicate how it goes on the day, of course. That could indicate that you're about to roll over to green. And this thing's about to bounce off of this box and start to trend up and get some momentum going. So it may, after getting over that support on that macro scale, it may be gunning for that 3-2 here. But, you know, keep in mind, as we know, from the high to the low, the price of AR here could come all the way up to that 382 and the bottom still not be in yet. So it could come all the way up to that 382 at 1250 and do something like this and come right back down. That is a possibility. So yeah, we will leave it at that on AR. Good luck, everyone. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out.